time to Meenu cartoons.
Kindness to animals. Sarah is an 8-year-old girl. She is kind and good-natured, but not good in academic, yet everyone loves her. One day the class teacher makes the surprise announcement in the class.
I am going to give a special reward. You must be a good in everything you do, and I will announce a reward at the end of the term.
The children wonder what the reward will be for.
I hope it is for writing. I write very well.
I hope it is for painting, that I can paint very well.
I hope it is for reading. I am good at it.
Sarah is sad. She goes home and tells her mother about the reward.
I can read, write, and sing, but I can't do these things as good as other students of my class. Oh, Mother, I will never win a reward.
Listen, Sarah. The reward may just be for being good. Try to be very good in this term.
One day Sarah finds a little bird. It has fallen from a tree and broken its wings.
Don't worry, little bird. I will look after you.
Sarah takes the bird home. Her mother ties the broken wings very carefully.
Oh, my little bird, I think now you feel better.
Next morning Sarah takes the bird to school. Her teacher puts the bird in a box. Sarah looks after the bird all the week. After a week the bird flies away. Sarah is very happy. After some days, Sarah noticed that few boys are teasing a small dog. They are all laughing at it.
What are you doing to this poor dog?
She protects the dog from the naughty boys. She gives some food to the dog. Her teacher is walking at a distance. She watches everything. It is the last day of the term. The children are excited about the reward. Her friend Meenu always stands first in class, but she is very rude. Sarah, I think I will win the prize this time. You forget about it. You are not clever enough for any prize. The teacher enters the classroom. The children asks her what the special reward is and who has won it.
Well, children, it's Sarah, who has won the special reward for kindness to animals. She saved a little bird with a broken wing, and she also helped the little dog. Her prize is this cute puppy.
Sarah is very happy at winning a reward in this term. She takes the puppy home. Her mother allows her to keep the puppy at home.